Hey guys, quick one here on jumping or floating up from down dog to a forward fold. It's pretty easy if you're willing to take the risk of stacking your hips above your shoulders. Let's get started. Okay gang, the only thing you need to do for this one is to have your hamstring stretched out. Hopefully in your vinyasa, by the time you're trying this, you're already warm. We're just gonna jump up really easy with straighter and straighter legs each time. For the record, if you can't, with straight legs, palm the mat and maybe even lift your toes, you're not gonna be able to float yet, but that's okay, you'll work your way up to it. Let's just jump first. The key is setting a spring and then hopping so your hips go above your shoulders. Not all the way stacked, but high enough that it gains you a little bit of hang time. So check this out. Down dog. I'm gonna spring. I look forward past my hands and then I jump and I come down with bent legs. That's cool. The higher I jump and the more flexible my hammies are, I can come up closer with less of a bend in the legs. So this one I'll come up. Still a pretty cool landing. Looks a lot neater than just stepping it up. Eventually, if I can put enough of my hips above my shoulders, I can spring and come up with straight legs, nice and smooth. What makes it work is the balance of having enough weight forward to equal the weight back. So one more time, don't be afraid to practice these by just kicking up. Can I get my butt above my shoulders? Even for a second. Then I spring, look forward. If you look down, you're gonna land down. My eyes go to the top of the mat, and as I land, they go between my thumbs. So down dog, load the spring, look forward, and come in slow. Sometimes you'll come in almost like you're landing in a crow like that. All you have to do is make your hips high enough to swing your legs under. So, short landing, really bent legs. Medium landing, sort of bent legs. Floating landing, straight legs. You can do it.
But the whole point of the machine is to relieve you of that suffering.